Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we delve into the fascinating world of coding assistants and how AI is transforming the way we interact with our coding environments. I'm excited to introduce a powerful new tool called magenta.nvim, a plugin for neovim that enhances your coding experience by leveraging large language model agents. So what exactly is magenta.nvim? Well, think of it as your AI coding assistant right within your code editor. Unlike other tools that require you to compress all your code and send it off to an AI for processing, Magenta is designed to gather context dynamically. This means the AI can choose which information it needs to assist you, helping to make the interaction more efficient. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How does this really work? Let's break it down a bit. Magenta.nvim operates through a user-friendly chat window where you can have conversations with your AI assistant. You can ask questions, get code suggestions, or even request modifications right as you're working. It's pretty much like having a knowledgeable colleague sitting beside you, ready to help. One of the coolest features of Magenta is its inline editing capability. Imagine you're in the middle of writing code and realize you've made a mistake or want to refine a piece of logic. With Magenta, you can simply start an inline edit, and it will pull up a split view for you to write your prompt. The AI will then take care of finding and replacing code for you, which, let's be honest, saves a ton of time and frustration. What about installation? It's straightforward. All you need is Node.js version 20 or higher, and you're set. Plus, it integrates well with popular package managers like vimplug and lazy.nvim, making the setup process quick and easy. Now let's talk about the included key mappings. These shortcuts enable you to interact efficiently with Magenta. For instance, using leader MT toggles the sidebar, while leader MP allows you to paste selections directly into the input buffer. This kind of functionality makes coding much smoother, especially when you are handling multiple files or contexts. You might be wondering how Magenta compares to other coding assistance plugins out there. Unlike Code Companion, which has only a single buffer for interaction, Magenta separates the input and display buffers. This setup allows for more interactivity and prevents the AI from taking over your whole editing space, which can be really disruptive when you're working through complex tasks. The architecture behind Magenta is also worth mentioning. It's built using a clean structure that's easy to understand, thanks to techniques borrowed from Elm architecture. This clarity not only simplifies feature extensions, but also makes testing much more manageable. Isn't it great when developers prioritize maintainability and ease of use? As we end today's episode, I've got a question for you. How do you see AI evolving in your coding practices? Are there certain areas where you think it could significantly improve your workflow? Remember, magenta.nvim is not just about coding assistance. It's about making you a more effective developer by leveraging the capabilities of AI right where you work. And that's something we can all get behind. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. We hope you found it insightful. Until next time, keep coding, exploring, and embracing the future of technology.